Okay, stop the presses right now. Everything that you needed to do today, you need to tell them you can't make it because Archer and Olive just released our first sneak peek at the March subscription box. Now, let me tell you this. I know nothing about this box. Even as a part of the ambassador team, they have kept this a secret from me, but I got the email just like you, and let's go ahead and dive in a little bit deeper. This is gonna be amazing. If you do not want any spoilers for this video, come back after the first few weeks of March and you can relive the excitement of this. But if you are here for the spoilers, let's talk about what we just saw. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look here. It says, notes from nature, there are always flowers for those who want to see them. This is a quote from Henry Matisse. All around this image here, we have kind of this very cool vintage looking like old book feels. A lot of flowers on here. I'm okay with that. And it just really digs into the theme of this one when we scroll down the page a little bit more. So we had to expand to see it because not everyone likes to be spoiled like you and me, but here's everything we saw below that drop down. So first thing, right in the bottom, we have fountain pens. I was gonna do a video on all my future predictions from Archer and Olive. I just didn't get around to it. And fountain pens was the #1 thing that was on my list. We have seen pencils, we have seen pens, we've seen gel pens and different ink pens. I knew that it was going to come. I knew it was about to happen. Not only are we getting a pen with some ink, we're getting 3 different inks here. So if we zoom in a little bit here, we have 3 different colors that will be in here. Now I can't tell a whole lot by the picture of this fountain pen right here. More than likely, I'm going to assume there will be a converter inside of here, so you'll be able to suck that ink up in your fountain pen, keep it in that converter, clean it out, and use these different color inks. It doesn't look like a dip pen. It definitely looks like a pen that will have a converter in it. Now, if you've never used fountain pens before, this is the reason we get subscription boxes, because you don't have to go out and find whatever. You got something to try here to see if you love it. Trust me, I will do plenty of videos for you all about how to use them. No one's asking to do them from Archer and Olive. I just know that not everyone feels comfortable and confident. So I'm gonna help you out there. So that's the first piece. Then we also have a look at one of the notebooks that's inside of here. Now I do know a little secret about these notebooks. This is just one of the notebooks that's inside of here. Has a beautiful gold foil over top. Look at the edges of this notebook. They are doing so much with these notebooks now. It's no longer just a little icon in the middle. It's so much more than that. And then right over to the right, it had a little arrow, deckled edges. So we saw those deckled edges with that Halloween box. That was the first time that we saw it in some of those notebooks. Then up at the top, really small, it says extra wide washi. So I'm assuming like Pete tape, like big, thick, huge pieces of washi tape. You know my love-hate with washi tape. So it all depends on what they do, but looking at how they've kind of matched things on here, done layering and stuff like that, we can probably expect to see that same general theme here. Now down below, it did talk about the different items that are in here. So let's talk about these details, at least of this notebook. This is gonna be an A5 natural notebook, timeless furrow cover design, gold stamped and debossed on a navy vegan leather. Ooh, that looks very nice. I did not know that that was vegan leather. 192 pages, 160 GSM, and it's going to be ivory dot grid paper. So that's gonna be very different than their white paper that they've done. So this is gonna have a very beautiful, classic, vintage feel to it, and I'm all about that personally. And then that'll be finished off with those deckled torn edges, which I'm very excited about. Then it talks about the decorative paper tape. Okay, so a little bit different than I was thinking. This set includes 4 rolls of extra wide 44mm washi tape, ready for layering, collaging, creating borders, anything else you can think of. These tapes truly encompass our notes from nature theme. Then fountain pen and ink set, hell yes. New deep green and matte gold fountain pen is the perfect accessory for your next nature walk. The fountain pen features a piston converter, I said it, easy ink filling and cleaning. Pick one of 3 inks supplied to get your journal or sketching on your next adventure. I am so excited. This is why I should read before I do these videos, and that I don't sound like an idiot, that I don't know what I'm talking about. So these are just a few of the items. I know that there are more, because I do know some numbers of things, but I'm gonna be a good boy. I'm not gonna tell you, but as soon as they tell you, I will be the one to tell you as well. Or if they tell me I can tell you, I will be the one to tell you. This is gonna be amazing. I wasn't sure at first when I heard some of the theme options potentially, because you know me, like I'm not a big like floral guy necessarily, but this is really nice and this is really beautiful. Now I will tell you that like this notebook and the roses on there, not necessarily for me. I think that the design is beautiful, can appreciate it. This will be going right to my wife. She is a lover of flowers, and she's gonna be very excited about it. It's a beautiful notebook. She will not be getting my fountain pen and she will not be getting my inks, but she could have this notebook for sure. I cannot wait to find out more. If you are already a subscriber, we'll start to see these rolling out at the beginning of March. And if you're not a subscriber and you want to become one, after the first few days of the month, they will roll out and open up this box to the public. I will tell you right now, this box will sell out. I'm sorry, like it's gonna sell out. You get fountain pens, you get inks, you get beautiful notebooks. If you're a big fan of washi tape so far, like you're gonna be about this. Everything about this notebook right now, everything about this box right now is screaming instant sellout. And people get really upset about this, and I understand where they're like, look, I'm not getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. to get this box. My friend Jess, now she does that, but she's already a subscriber. So like she doesn't have to worry about that. That's the thing. If you're already a subscriber, you don't have to do anything but wait for your box to arrive. But if you're not, just know that you're going to set an alarm. I hope that you're not going to have to like stay up all night for it. But I just going to tell you, like when more people start to see this beyond our little circle here of people who love stationery and pens and everything, I mean, why not get this box? I'm sorry, it has everything that we need. At least, again, this is only 3 items from this box. Like, what else could potentially be inside of here? I can't wait to find out more, but I want to hear from you down in the comments. This is my favorite part of these videos. I want to know what you think. Are you excited about fountain pens? Are you excited about this notebook or the washi? Mostly, I'm interested to hear what you think about the fountain pens, because you know me, I'm a big fan of fountain pens, and I can't wait to hear what you think about this. I am so freaking excited right now. I'm so excited. All right, I gotta go. Bye. See ya.